Now continuing with the interfaces, we'll just see a small problem that we still face with multiple inheritance that we seems to overcome by using interfaces. Now in case of methods, because methods don't have body, so in case I have show methods in both I1 and I2 and my class implements both I1 and I2, then this single method show, it is able to provide implementation to the show methods of both the interfaces. But what happens if I have a similar variable in both the interfaces? So then the real problem lies in if I directly print the variable name, then it says the field pi is ambiguous, because this is where the problem comes. It is not able to judge whether this pi refers to the I1.pi or whether this refers to the I2.pi. So in case I specifically refer this to a particular interface, then we can remove this ambiguity. Otherwise, directly referring to a variable will again bring us to the ambiguity problem. Now the second aspect is, can I declare any method as static within an interface? So immediately it has shown me an error. This is because, as we have already seen during overriding, the condition for overriding is that static methods, they cannot be overridden. So as static methods, they cannot be overridden, and interfaces methods have to be overridden to give them the functionality. So this will be totally meaningless without being overridden. So we cannot declare any method as static within a interface. And the third problem that we have here is, can I declare a variable without assigning any value to it? No. So it says you need to initialize the variable within an interface with some value, because there is no other option in an interface to initialize this value at a later stage. Now this I'll even demonstrate within the class also. Suppose within the class I have a variable, say static final int x, and I don't initialize this variable. Now since, as we had seen in the case of final variables, that we have an option to declare the value within the initialization block, you have an option to initialize the value within the constructor. But since this variable is static, so this has to come into picture before any constructor call is made. So we have only one option, and that is the static initialization block. In case we do not initialize within this block, we have no other option. We'll have to initialize the variable here itself. So for a static final variable, there is no option to wait till the constructor, and the same has to be done either through the static initialization block, or it has to be done within the initialization also only. Now because constructor cannot have this initialization block, so the value has to be assigned during the declaration of the value itself. So the problem for multiple inheritance still lies for variables, and the values have to be initialized in the interface for any variable that we declare, and no method can be declared static within an interface, because static methods cannot be overridden, and this interface concept is based on overriding the methods of the interface.